Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Gcash to buy games on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main Steam interface where you can browse and purchase games directly through the platform. Now, in the upper right corner of your screen, you'll see a search bar. Click on it and type in your preferred game. This search function helps you quickly find exactly what you're looking for without having to browse through countless categories and recommendations. After you search, click on your preferred game from the results that appear. This will take you to the game's store page where you can read more about it, check reviews, and most importantly, make your purchase. On the right panel of the game's page, you'll see an Add to Cart button. Go ahead and click it. This adds the game to your shopping cart and prepares it for checkout, similar to how online shopping works on any other platform. Once the game is in your cart, click View My Cart. This takes you to your shopping cart page where you can review your selected items before proceeding with the payment. It's a good opportunity to double check that you've selected the right game and that the price is what you expected. Next, click Continue to Payment. This is where you'll choose your payment method and finalize your purchase. Steam offers multiple payment options, and Gcash is one of the most convenient methods available for users in the Philippines. Now, click the drop-down menu and select Gcash as your payment method. Choosing Gcash allows you to complete your transaction using your mobile wallet, which is fast, secure, and doesn't require a credit card. It's an excellent option for gamers who prefer digital payment solutions. After selecting Gcash, click Continue. This moves you forward in the checkout process and prepares the system to redirect you to the payment gateway where you'll complete your transaction. Next, you'll need to check the box beside I agree to the terms of the Steam subscriber agreement. This is a standard requirement before any purchase on Steam, ensuring that you understand and accept the platform's terms and conditions. Once you've checked the box, click Continue to Smart to Pay. This redirects you to the payment gateway where Gcash processes the transaction. Smart to Pay is the intermediary service that connects Steam with Gcash, making the payment process smooth and secure. Finally, a QR code will appear on your screen. Open your Gcash app on your mobile device and scan the QR code to complete the payment. Once the payment goes through, your game will be added to your Steam library immediately, and you can start downloading and playing right away. And that's it. You've successfully purchased a game on Steam using Gcash. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.